All right, some algebra. Topic 7, lesson 2, we're going to be multiplying polynomials. All right, the first thing we're going to do is that we know we're multiplying, so we need to make sure we follow all the rules for multiplication. Okay, so when I look at this one right here, I need to make sure my negative 4 x cubed is being multiplied into all three of these. So it's going to go here, it's going to be multiplied to here, and it's going to be multiplied to here. So making sure we follow the rules for all of this, it's going to be negative 4 x to the 5th, because when we multiply, we end up adding the exponents, minus 12 x to the 4th, plus 16 x cubed. Now I need to look to see if I can combine any like terms, and I can't combine any like terms, because this x is to the 5th, this is to the 4th, and this is cubed. Okay, so, and they are in descending order, so we are good to go. This is actually multiplying them out, okay? So basically it's just multiplying them into everything that is there, okay? The next example we're going to do is we're going to have two different binomials, okay? And we've got, this is where we end up doing FOIL, and we did go over this a little bit last year, but we didn't have a whole lot of time to do this. Okay, you have to multiply this 2x to this and to that. Okay, the 2x has to go to this over here. So 2x times x is going to give you 2x squared. Then your 2x times your negative 5 is going to be a minus 10x. Now your 4 is also going to be multiplied into your next group, which is going to be 4x. And then your 4 times your negative 5 is going to give you a negative 20. Now I also need to look here to find some like terms. Well, I can see that my x's can be combined. A negative 10x and a positive 4x are going to give me a negative 6x. Now I can bring everything else down. 2x squared minus 6x minus 20. Nothing else can be added, so we are good to go. Okay? The next type of example they would like us to go over has to do with multiple multiple. So let's erase this one over here because we're going to need a bigger board for this one. Let's erase this one. All right, so they actually have so they've got x squared plus 2x minus 1, and then they've got 3x plus 4. And they have it in this order, which is fine. It doesn't matter, doesn't bother me at all. So we need to make sure, just like with FOIL, that all of our numbers multiply times everything in the other parentheses. So my 3x is going to need to go here, it's going to need to go here, and it's going to need to go here. Could you go this way with it? Sure. Okay, of course you could. I just want to make sure that my x squared gets to my 3, and my 2x gets to my 3, and my negative 1 gets to my 3. So that's going to give me a 3x cubed plus 6x squared, a minus 3x. Now I got to make sure my 4 gets through to all of these. Right? My 4's got to get into all of these as well, so then I can combine them. My 4 is going to be a plus 4x squared plus 8x minus 4. So now I can go through, and there's my 3x cubed, no other cubed. All right, so let's go to my squares. There are my squared. All right, let's triangle my singles. And then I've got that by itself.